In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Internet Speed Meter in Windows 11. First, let's begin by opening the Microsoft Store. You can find the store icon on your taskbar, usually represented by a shopping bag logo. Once you click on it, the store will open, presenting you with a wide variety of applications. This is an essential step because the Microsoft Store is where you will find the Internet Speed Meter application you need. It ensures you are downloading official software, which is safe and secure for your system. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the store as it will help you navigate easily. Next, in the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store, type Net Speed Meter. This application is published by Zerobyte, so make sure you see that name. After you find it, click on the Get button to start the installation process. This is an important step because the Net Speed Meter will allow you to monitor your internet speed directly from your desktop. Once you click Get, you will see a progress indicator showing the download status, ensuring you know when it is ready to use. Once the download is complete, the next step is to launch the application. You can do this by going to your Start menu. Click on the Start button, and you will see a list of your installed applications. Look for Net Speed Meter and click on it to open. Launching the application is crucial because it activates the monitoring feature that tracks your internet speed. You will see the floating speed overlay appear on your desktop, which is the main interface for the application, giving you immediate feedback on your connection speed. Now that the application is running, a floating speed overlay will appear on your desktop. This overlay shows your current download and upload speeds. To keep this widget easily accessible, right-click on it and select Keep in Taskbar. This action pins the widget to your taskbar, ensuring you can monitor your internet speed at a glance without needing to open the application every time. This little step saves you a lot of time later, allowing you to keep track of your speeds effortlessly. To clean up its appearance and make it more visually appealing, right-click the widget again. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the settings options for the speed meter. Navigate to the Color and Themes tab. Here, you can select Transparent to make the widget blend more seamlessly with your Windows 11 taskbar. This customization is important because it enhances your desktop's aesthetics while still providing you with the information you need. You will see the changes take effect immediately, which is reassuring as it confirms your adjustments were successful. With these steps complete, you now have the Internet Speed Meter set up and customized in Windows 11. Your desktop will give you real-time feedback on your internet speed, allowing you to identify any potential issues with your connection. Monitoring your internet speed is essential for optimizing your online experience, whether you are streaming, gaming, or working. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly set up internet speed meter.